A woman taken to Metro after police say she caused a scene at Children's and Women's Hospital. Listen to this. This is her, Ashley Johnson, and according to an arrest report, police say Johnson made, quote, an unreasonable noise in the emergency department that alarmed staff and visitors. The report also goes on to say while being removed, Johnson punched a hospital employee multiple times. She was originally charged with assault, but a USA spokesperson says those charges will be amended to disorderly conduct and harassment.